Do we have it all wrong? Should we be re-examining how we're presenting the reverse mortgage during an economic downturn? Tax-free cash, no required payments, increased monthly cash flow, even eliminating the mortgage payments altogether. Now, those are just a few of the most touted benefits of a reverse mortgage. And if you Google those phrases, your most likely result will be a HECM or a reverse mortgage. But are those catchphrases really the most effective way to attract a potential borrower who could be facing one of the biggest economic upheavals in our generation? If there is one thing that both working aged and retired Americans are looking for today, it's options. Options in how they can manage their current financial obligations. And one of those, and the largest one, is being their existing mortgage payments. It may come as a surprise that many homeowners may not want to stop paying down their monthly mortgage balance each month. So would marketing eliminating principal and interest payments every month really attract them? Most likely not. And how about those homeowners who may find getting a home equity line of credit or HELOCs nearly impossible? Never making a monthly mortgage payment may hold no appeal. However, for them to have access to a HECM line of credit that cannot be frozen even if home values drop, or it doesn't have an increased payment after 10 years that could create a cash crunch in the future, that's something that those individuals could find highly attractive. Now, before we continue, I want to take a moment to welcome our new sponsor of this show. That's Fairway Independent Mortgage. Harlan and his team are very passionate about both training and equipping originators like you to reach their fullest potential. So click on the banner on this page and learn more about the Fairway. Now back to the show. Do you remember the phrase, seek first to understand and then be understood? That's the famous rule from Stephen Covey's classic 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Once you have a clear understanding of what would bring an increased sense of financial security to a potential borrower, then and only then can you present the reverse mortgage in a way that's truly relevant, meaningful, and compelling. In our interview last month with Martin Andelman, he said this about reverse mortgages. The reality is, because there's no due date for payments, you can never be late. If this was called a retirement mortgage, there would be a line from here to Disneyland to get one. And just like Disneyland, there is a cost for admission for the ability to make some payments or no payments, or even a balloon payment every few years. But wait, some homeowners may say, I've heard that reverse mortgages are bad, dangerous, or they take away your home. If you were to take Mandelman's approach, you could answer by asking this question. Do you like FHA loans? Now, as we know, the home equity conversion mortgage is an FHA loan. It just so happens to be the only FHA loan that gives you the ability whether you pay or not each month. Now, breaking away from the let's eliminate your mortgage payment mantra for just a moment, consider this. Some of our potential target markets in an uncertain economy are, 1, those who want to access a home equity line of credit that won't be taken away from them. Second, homeowners who don't want a growing loan balance, but they may want to skip payments periodically or take a vacation, pay off some health care expenses, or provide financial assistance to a family member, And third, those who are looking for a monthly lifeline or a lifetime annuity. Instead of taking a lump sum from their savings and paying a single premium in exchange for monthly payouts, they may want to keep their cash savings readily accessible and instead have the ability to start and stop payments, something that an immediate annuity could never do. Yes, eliminating monthly mortgage payments has been an effective approach, but overlooking the flexibility and the options a reverse mortgage provides will not reach a broader audience of age-eligible homeowners. So what are your thoughts? You can share your comments below, and if you would please share this video with other reverse mortgage professionals, you can do that using the social media links on this page. If you're on YouTube, click the subscribe button. That way you never miss an upcoming episode. Thanks again for joining us. Don't forget, you can check out our podcast that's on HECM World and also on iTunes. You can subscribe to iTunes for our weekly podcast. That's HECM World Weekly. We look forward to seeing you next week. Enjoy your week.